In this video, I'll show you how to trim, split and cut videos on InShot video editor. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your InShot. So what you need to do, let's say if you love to trim a video, or if you love to cut a video, or if you love to split a video, what you need to do here, you can just come on here, you can see from all these options, right? So these are the options that are currently here available to use, right? So you can see there's a pre-cut, you can click on it. So you can see this is the trim. If you love to trim a video, this is what you need to do now. So trimming a video lets you select the exact amount or the part of the video you want to appear. So let's say if I click on this, I can click on this, right? So you can see where this video is going to start, but I'm going to still go back. So click on the pre-cut as well. If you see cut, you can click on cut. You're going to be able to select where you love to cut in this video. So you can choose any of them with this, right? You can be able to choose the length you want. So if I click on this now, you can see this is what is going to come out. So I can still go back. Then the last one, the split, you can be able to come on here and split videos if you want, right, from your choice. So you can come on here, you can select where you love to split in this video. So also what you need to do, you can also come on here, you can be able to see split. So let's say if you love to split from, let me say from 24 to 28, what you need to do, just come on here, click on split, then go to 28, click on split as well. So you can just come on here, you can delete this if you want, right? So you can do whatever you want to do with it. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.